Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix up your touchpad if it's not working in your laptop. So how you can, it's very easy. So I will try to see, I'm trying to use my touchpad but it's not working over there. So if it's not working, so you need to use the keyboard. So you use tab, and okay, now you use your arrow and go to the power option, then click enter. So after that you again use your arrow, go down and go to the restart, then you click. So very important thing is when you click your restart, after that you try to push F9 button several times. So here is enter. So now I'm going to push the F9 button several times. So here you see, so just wait for a while. Just try to push your key button several times until it's done. So just wait for a while. Okay, so now wait for a while. You can press F9 button again. Just wait for a while. I think it's enough. Just wait until it's open. Okay, so now it's already open. Now you can check, you can use your touch button here and you can use over there. So now you can see the arrow button is moving. So by this way you can easily fix up your touchpad. Thanks for watching these videos. Please subscribe my channel.